Sound off, unmuted. How's that, everyone? Okay. Yeah, so I was saying also inspired by another one of our customers who has like a kind of complicated Git setup where they have a kind of like a following Git instance and a leading Git instance. And am I sharing yet? All right, fantastic. And it's complicated. So we can come in here and we can just pick like any arbitrary commit from gonna move stuff out of the way. We can just pick an arbitrary commit, any commit that's in our Git repository. And then just to show you there's no funny business, we'll just like show you. Wait a minute. Oh, this is not the right. Hold on. Let's get to the right model. Oh no, this is fine. This is the source model. This is the target model. Just to show you there's no funny business. We'll reload this. There's no branches in existence. There's no model history yet in this model. So this is like a brand new, newly created model. And then we're going to jump over here into Postman. We've got a new API endpoint that we created, which takes the source model ID right here. That source model does need to be linked to Git, and in particular, the repo that has the commit hash that I just copied into my clipboard. And I'm going to go ahead and paste that into this commit ref. So I can, again, can choose an arbitrary commit. Target model ID. So not the company target. I just named this company target. So we got that in there. We can put a commit message into that, which will show up as like the description. We'll see in a minute. And I can optionally specify a branch name. And we're going to go ahead and send it. And this time it was successful as well. It was also successful when I tested it a couple minutes ago. So we're looking good. And I'll have to refresh this because it doesn't have the context that there's a new branch here, but now there's a new branch here. Boom, boom, boom. And you can see we have branch history. And everybody, should be happy. I think that there's a lot of good use cases for this, and look forward to Peter buying me a beer later. Cool. Some other things about it, it's like you can go straight to the shared model. We have some protection against, if the target model is linked to Git, then there's some special handling to make sure that you don't break any rules. So, any questions? Mark. Could you use that if you had internal deployment? Yes. So Mark is asking, could you use this if you had like basically like two orgs, one that's your internal, or I don't know, say maybe your QA instance, and your external embed instance. And so you want to like keep models in sync. And the answer is a resounding yes, like 100%. We did do this. Maybe it wasn't clear from the demo. The trickiest part of what we had to do here was actually making sure that the user's API, the user associated with the API key that's in use has the permissions on both orgs. And so it's convenient, even if you are a multi-org, multi-deployment situation, we actually have a single user. And so that was relatively easy to do. But it's sort of the one kind of really cool thing. It's not just within the same instance, if you will. Awesome. Thanks.